Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Today we have to start exercise 10.2. Okay class, before starting 10.2 we have to recall some things which we have taken from previous lecture as well. First thing we have to recall is area of a circle. What is area of a circle? The space inside the circle is called area of a circle. Okay, look at this circle. This is circle. If I am drawing these lines, these green lines inside this circle, so inside this boundary, this is a circular boundary, inside the space inside this circle, that is a space inside this circle, that thing is called area of that circle. Okay, so area is actually the space inside the circle is called area of a circle, or you can say that space inside it in any shape. Okay, any shape is there, so we will call this as the area of that shape. In 10.2 we will use the value of pi as well. Value of pi is 3.14 and value of pi is also 22/7. These two values, 22/7 and 3.14, is approximately equal to, okay, approximately equal to, that is not completely equal, that is approximately equal to. These two values we will use according to the question statements. Okay, 22/7 is used or 3.14 is used. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have to start exercise 10.2, question number 1. Find the area of the circles when the radii are given as. In this question, radius are given. We have to find area of a circle with the help of radius. In the third part, radius is given 2 whole 6/11. That is our radius. Okay, and this radius is present in the form of mixed fraction. So make it proper first. 11 2s are 22, and when we will add 22 with 6, it will become 28/11 meter. Okay, that is our given radius. Now with the help of this radius we have to actually find the area of a circle. Write the formula. Area of a circle is 2 pi r square. You can write like this: pi multiply by r multiply by r, because square is there, you can write r 2 times like this. Okay, after that you have to put the values here. Value of pi, I am taking 22/7 because in the question that is not mentioned which pi you have to take. Okay, so you can take 22/7 here, multiply by r. R is 28/11. 28/11 and 28/11 again. After that you have to simplify it. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. Now remaining is 22 multiplied by 4/11 and 28/11. Now you can write 22 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 28 over 11 multiplied by 11. Okay, after that when we will multiply 22 with 4, it will become 88, and 11 multiplied by 11 will become 121. Now when we will multiply 88 with 28, answer will become 2464 over 121. Okay, that is our area. So you have to write A like this. Okay, when we will divide 2464 with 121, answer is in the points, it will become in the points like decimal 20.36. Okay, I have divided 2464 with 121, answer is 20.36, and you have to write the unit of area, meter square. Okay, that is our required area. And part number 1 and part number 2 is so simple. You have to do like this method and you have to do that 2 parts with yourself. Okay class, we have to do question number 2. Calculate the radius and diameter of the circle having an area of 28.26 centimeter square. Okay, that is our given area. 28.26 centimeter square is our area, and with the help of this area we have to find two things. Which two things? Radius and diameter we have to find. So first of all you have to write the formula of area. Area is equals to pi r square, and this formula you can write like this: pi r square is equal to area, doesn't matter. Okay, now you have to put the values of pi here. 3.14 multiplied by r square is equals to a. Okay, now 3.14 r square area is given in the question 28.26. On the place of a means area, you have to put 28.26. okay, now remove this decimal. You know in the previous classes how we will remove this decimal. 314 over 100. On the place of decimal I have put 1 and 2 digits are there, so you have to put 2 zeros here. R square is equals to, from this we have to remove this decimal as well, 2826 over 100. Now you have to take that fraction on that side. So when we will take that fraction on that side, it will become reciprocal. 2826 over 100 multiply by 100 over 314. Okay, now this 100 can be cut with this one, and with the table of 2 we will cut this one. 2 ones are 2, it will become 11. 2 5s are 10, it will become 14. Now 2 7s are 14. Come on this one. With the table of 2 we have to cut. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now r square is equals to 1413 is remaining here, and multiply by 1 over 157. Now it will become 1413 over 157 here. When we will divide these two numbers, 1413 divided by 157, the answer will become 9. Now r square is equals to 9. Okay, now we have needed radius, not radius square on it. Okay, we have to remove this square first. So for removing this square, power is square, we have to take square root on both sides. So you can write a square root on both sides or taking under root on both sides. Okay, so you can write by taking under root on both sides. Now when we will take under root on that two sides, it will become r square is equals to under root 9. Okay, and this is a rule that this under root or this square root can be cutted with this square. Okay, in 6th class you have learned very well about it. R is equals to under root 9. On the place of 9 I can write 3 multiplied by 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 is again 9. Okay, when two numbers are multiplying with each other, same numbers, you can write these same numbers like this. Okay, 3 square, and after that this square can be cut with this under root, because square can cut the under root. Okay, only 3 is remaining, so that is our 3 is our radius, required radius, and the unit of radius you have to write here centimeter, because in the question centimeter is used. Okay, now radius is find it. Now you have to find diameter. That is so simple. Diameter is equals to 2r. Okay, d is equals to 2 multiplied by 3. It will become 6 centimeter. Now we have to do question number 3. Complete the following table. We have to start from part number 2. Part number 1 you have to do yourself because it is so simple. Now in part number 2, in the table, pi is given 22 by 7, radius is missing, diameter is given 28 meter, circumference is missing, area is also missing. So we have to find these missing things one by one. Okay, now I am starting from radius. We know that the formula of radius is r is equals to d by 2. D means diameter. So put the values here. D is given in the question, diameter is given in the question, 28. 28 by 2. Now cut this. 2 ones are 2, 2 14s are 28. R is equals to 14 meter. That is required radius. Write this radius over there because radius is present here. We have to mention over there 14 meter. Now come on circumference. We have to find circumference. Write the formula of circumference. Circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Now put the values here. 2, value of pi given in the question, 22 by 7. R, we have find it r, so you have to put r here, 14. Now cut this. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Now remaining 2 multiply by 22 multiply by 2. Now multiply it. 2 22s are 44, 44 twos are 88 meter. That is our circumference. Write this circumference over there, that is 88 meter. Now last thing is area. We have find it. Area, formula of area is equals to pi r square. A is equals to pi multiply by r multiply by r. A is equals to pi is 22 by 7. R radius is 14. Again 14. Now 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Remaining is 22 multiply by 2 multiply by 14. Now 22 twos are 44 multiply by 14. 44 multiply by 14 will become 616 meter square because we have find it area. That's why we have to mention the unit here. That is area. Area is 616 meter square. So you have to write here 616 meter square. Now part number 3. In part number 3 we have a value of pi 3.14 and circumference is given 31.4 meter. Radius, diameter and area is missing. We have to find radius, diameter and area with the help of this circumference. Okay. So first of all you have to start with writing the formula of circumference. Circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Okay. Now we have to put the values on the place of circumference. You have to put the value of circumference, that is of 31.4 is equals to 2 multiply by value of pi is 3.14 multiply by r. Now remove this decimal point. It will become 314 over 10 is equals to 2 multiply by 314 over 100 multiply by r. Now you can write this one, 2 multiply by 314 over 100 multiply by r. 314 over 10 is as it is. Now you have to take that whole fraction on that side. It will become reciprocal like this. 100 over 2 multiplied by 314 is equals to r. Okay. Now this 0 can be cut with this 0 and 314 can be cut with this 314. Here 10 by 2 is remaining is equals to r. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So here our r will become 5 and its unit will become meter. So radius we have find it, that is 5 meter. So you have to write it on the table, 5 meter. Now we have to find diameter. Formula of diameter is D is equals to 2R. D is equals to 2R is radius is 5. 2 5s are 10. D is equals to 10 meter. Diameter is 10 meter. You have to write 10 meter here. Now last we have to find area. Area is equals to pi r square. Area is equals to pi is 3.14. R square means 5 square. Now remove this decimal, it will become 314 over 100. 5 square you have write 5 multiply by 5. Now cut this 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 0. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. 314 over 4. Now when we will divide 314 with 4, answer will become 78.5 meter square. That is our required area. So you have to write this area on the table, 78.5 meter square. Now in 7th part, value of pi is 3.14 and only area is given 78.50 meter square. We have to find radius, diameter and circumference first. Now with the help of area, we will find the radius first. Area, formula of area is equals to pi r square. Now on the place of area, you can write 78.50 because in the question that is given is equals to value of pi is 3.14, r square is as it is. Now remove this decimal point, it will become 7850 over 100 is equals to, again remove this decimal, 314 over 100 is r square. Now we can take that whole fraction on that side, it will become 7850 over 100. It will become reciprocal, okay? 100 over 314 is equals to r square. Now this 100 can be cut with this one, and 314 ones are 314, 314 25s are 7850. Now 25 is equals to r square. We need r because r is a radius, r square is not a radius. That's why we have to remove this power from there. So you can write r square is equals to 25, taking under root on both sides, because under root can cut this power 2. Okay, so you have to write by taking under root on both sides. Now when we will take under root on both sides, it will become like this, r square is equals to under root 25. Okay, this under root can cut this one, r is equals to, in under this under root 25 is there, I can write 5 multiply by 5. Okay, now r is equals to under root 5 square. This under root can be cut with this power 2. Only r is 5. Radius is 5, and you can write the unit of radius meter. Radius we have found it, that is 5 meter. Now we have to find diameter. For diameter we know that diameter is d is equals to 2r. D is equals to 2 multiply by 5, and D is equals to 2 5s are 10. So our diameter is 10 meter. Come on, circumference. For finding circumference, we have to write the formula. C is equals to 2 pi r. C is equals to 2 multiply by 3.14 multiply by 5. Remove this decimal, it will become 314 divided by 100 multiply by 5. Okay, now 2 multiply by 314, answer will become 628 multiply by 5 over 100. Now 628 multiply by 5, answer will become 3140 over 100. Okay, now this 0 will be cut with this one. 314 by 10 is remaining. Okay, now when we will divide 314 with 10, answer will become 31.4 meter. Okay, that is our circumference. So you have to write 31.4 meter. Now we have a question number 4. A circular flower bed has a diameter 84 centimeter. Find its area. So in this question we have to find the area, and diameter is given, that is of 84 centimeter. So you have to write diameter is 84 centimeter. Area we have to find it. Okay. Now with the help of this diameter, I will find the radius first. Radius is equals to d by 2. Radius is equals to diameter is 84 by 2. Now simplify it. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and 2 2s are 4. So radius will become 42 centimeter. Now actually we have to find area. So formula of area is pi multiply by r multiply by r. Okay, r square, or you can write r multiply by r, same thing. Now put the values here. Value of pi is 22 by 7. R is 42. Again r is 42. Now simplify it. 7 1s are 7. 7 6 are 42. Now remaining is 22 multiply by 6 multiply by 42. Now 22 multiply by 6, it will become 132. 42. 132 multiply by 42, it will become 5544, and that is our area. Okay, now area, you have to write the unit here, centimeter square, because in the question diameter is given and it is given in the centimeter. That's why our area will become centimeter square with its unit. Okay class, note down your diary. Do exercise 10.2 question number 1 to 4 in your notebook. After that you have to prepare your test of exercise 10.2 question number 1 to 4. Okay, so best of luck and Allah Hafiz.